for
Okay.
our
Podcast. Okay.
yes,
Can we start our podcast now?
we
Mom, are you
can.
hungry already? Hello. So right now I'm with my niece, as what I've said. This is Eunice. You can call her Nikki. Say hi, Nikki.
Hi everyone.
Hello. And this is also my very cutie pie. She has blue eyes. My God. This is. Hello. Say hi. 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 Okay, so Eunice, what are we going to talk about right now? Since we have our friends with us, there are about how many? I'm not so sure. Oh, a lot of them already. Thank you so much for joining. It's my first live streaming, and yeah, I find it really very experimental. Okay, so how to do with this?
You
Okay.
have 22 plus viewers, as you can see
Okay.
there
Try to check.
at the top. Yeah,
Okay.
that's a pretty good number for us to have viewers or listeners for our podcast,
Okay,
right?
that's good. Okay.
Let me
We
move
have a
over.
limited space right now. All right, so Nikki, what would you like to talk about since we have our listeners and also our viewers right now? Oh, really? You wanted to jump with me? Okay.
Yeah, that's a good question because today is actually Saturday
Mm,
and it's a holiday both for
okay.
us, right? I get finally get to have uh, the chance to relax
Okay.
because we I don't have work and you too you don't have work and today we were just actually just spending time together talking
True.
about about
Yeah.
a bunch of many things.
True.
So just random. So
Yeah.
maybe we can talk about what we can usually do or what we usually do during
Mm.
our holidays or free time like that. Aside
Mm-hmm.
from, of course, I think it's a quality time already,
True.
right?
Yeah, we've started our bonding, or we have this chit chat already in the afternoon, right? Oh no, in the morning. I think
Yeah, it
that's
started
already.
in the morning
It's
and
10 o'clock, right? This
yes,
morning, and up to
I
now.
just
What time
came
already?
by.
Yeah.
I just came by to their house actually just to
Mm.
chill. So
Yeah.
for me personally, I love spending time with my tita because
Mm.
aside from we barely have the chance to have a longer time together because she's busy, I'm also busy, and whenever we get to chit chat or spend time, it's really a good like I can really feel relaxed and like I feel like I'm already in a vacation
That's
because it's
true.
relaxing, just to talk about random things
Mm-hmm.
and if you're with the with trusted person, your favorite person, of course, it's I think you would agree that life um, feels better,
Mm-mm.
especially with your loved ones, right? Just pretty much anyone you think you're very comfortable with. So that for me is my tita. So,
That's true. Oh,
yeah.
thank you so much for that one. But apparently, I'm so confused already how to navigate this one. There are some messages, but I couldn't find it.
Yeah, someone says
I
hi. Magdalena says hi.
Hello, hello Magdalena. Hope you're enjoying right now, even though it's our first time.
Mhm.
Okay, so as what I've said a while ago, you could also ask us. You could also just ask any random thoughts about life activity. It could be about work. It could be about parenting. I'm actually a mother of one. She's already 13 years old. Yeah, and I'm also a guidance counselor designate in my work and school. So yeah, maybe I could help in
Yeah.
some way. So just like with my niece here, yeah.
Mhm.
Okay, so feel free to ask us. Okay, so right now since I think this is our first encounter about the live streaming because this is an opportunity given by TikTok to me.
Yay,
Congratulations, very good.
congratulations.
Whew,
You
thank you so much,
reached a
TikTok.
level,
Yeah,
right?
another level.
Mm.
So I'd like to come up with a topic with my niece right now.
Mm-hmm.
So a while ago, we've been talking about our work. especially in her experience because first time experience in teaching. So since I'm also a teacher and she is into teaching also. All right, so
Yes.
could you please tell us about it? Maybe some of our viewers here are also teachers, right? You have your
Yeah.
friends or relatives who are happen to be teacher. What happened?
Yes. Okay. Nothing. So
Okay.
someone just liked the live.
Well,
So
thank you so
yeah, thank you
much for
yeah,
liking.
for
Oh, thank you
liking.
so much for that. All right. Could you please tell me about it,
Yeah,
Eunice?
I think a lot of people can relate, because teaching is a very common kind of profession. So as for me, it is my first time teaching face to face, and especially I'm dealing with college students. So I used to deal with students online only. I was an ESL teacher, and I teach people from all walks of life, from beginners to advanced to newbie to like maybe I'd say 5 to 6 year old children to up to 60 plus. So there are professionals, there are just common people such as wives like that. Yeah, so from all walks of life, as I said. And this one is in a way accepted the job because I think it's a very good opportunity for me to expand my horizon, my skills
It's
in
true.
teaching, and at the same time, of course, I love talking. you know, ex expanding or extending your knowledge about certain topics, and
Hello, hello.
yes.
Okay.
So I think this job was really um, challenging. That's why I grabbed it, and she actually influenced me to try it. Right.
I'm an
So,
influencer now. Oh my
yeah, she's
God.
an
Okay.
influencer, legit influencer. And now that you already have the live, right? So that's pretty
Okay, okay,
cool.
okay.
Pretty
Thank you so
cool.
much for that one.
Yes.
Very true. Yeah. When it comes to teaching, it's really very noble profession, and you have the avenue to really help, especially the juvenile minds of our learners right now. We all know that we have different types of learners. I'm sure you have your siblings with you, you have your relatives with you, or you could have your children with you who are actually into schooling. So for teacher side, it's really very not easy to handle all personalities in one rolled into one classroom. So we really have to consider a lot of things, especially under the Magna Carta of the teachers. So it's very important.
Yeah, so she's
So
really knowledgeable about that. So,
yeah, actually I'm into teaching already for about 11 years in regular school and also 10 years in ESL also. So that is why if you could notice we're actually using our accent. Any accent will do. It could be American, it could be British, or it could be Filipino accent. No worries about it.
yes.
As long as we could understand one another, as long as we were able to get into the circumference of knowledge, no problem with it.
Yes.
Okay. Hi. Say hi also to our viewers right now, Eunice.
Yes, hi, Cha and A827, right?
Okay. How many of them already? I think a
Say
lot of.
hi to XD Kyla and
Hello.
Yeah, from our new joiners,
Yeah,
right?
thank you so much for
Wilma
that.
Pabor and The Rain. So, hi
Mm.
everyone from all over, wherever you are,
Thank you
right?
so much for your time right now.
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
as what I've said, this is actually experimental because I've seen already some of the live streaming at TikTok, but it seems like, oh, I really don't know what exactly to do at first.
Yeah, so in a way,
Uh,
we're exploring, we're experimenting, we're just
yeah,
trying it out and just, having fun with it.
yeah,
And we are so grateful for you to have watched this live with
yeah. How
us.
could we know, Eunice, that they could also join or they could also say something? How could
Yeah,
we know?
actually, there was some comments. I saw some comments earlier, but
Okay.
then that's why I tapped it.
Ah, okay.
So there were people who just waved. I guess that's it.
Ah, okay.
So anyway, guys, if you have yeah, there's one message. Let's see. Okay, Ate Yanatot join. Okay,
Ah,
say
okay.
say
Thank you.
hi.
Hi, hello.
And you can just comment down any thoughts you have, any yeah, any shout outs
Yeah,
if
shout
you
outs,
want.
yes, if you like. So we could
Mhm.
also tell to the whole wide world.
Yes.
Yeah.
And you can chat down whatever you want topic for us to talk about so that we
Mm,
can have an idea for our next live or
yeah.
our next podcast, because we actually have a like plan, or it's really our goal to make a podcast together,
Yeah.
because we have been, chatting a lot, and I thought that why don't we make a podcast ourselves, like
True, that's true.
legit, it's nothing really, how to say, serious, that we want to make it like big, but we just want to start it out as a hobby.
True,
Yeah,
true.
like, exchanging thoughts like that.
Yeah. Since actually would like to reveal to you, I'm in my 40s and
I'm in my 20s, so
like that.
so there's a 20-year gap, and I
Yeah.
think it's a very,
Two decades of generation gap. Yeah.
yes, and I think it's a very interesting combination.
Mm-hmm.
There's a lot of differences and similarities.
True.
Maybe more on differences, but of course we want to showcase to everyone these differences and how each the gap show us that we could still, blend in together and work,
True.
how this differences could make us create another, in a way, good
Topics.
topics, or we can teach each other lessons, right?
True.
She can teach me her wisdom, and I can also teach her my generation, the trend of my generation, like that, so that we can keep up with each other and we can
True.
learn from each other.
Yes, very true. Since in my school days, okay, in my school days, since I'm already in my 40s, I will not just divulge 40 something like that. Yeah, Batang 80s, Batang 90s, right?
Mm,
Or even Batang 70s, could be like that. So, already our day-to-day experience could be very interesting, very simple, but very, very fun, full of, what do you call this one, surprises, without technology, without telephone, without gadgets. We only have brick game before, right? If you could
oh
still
yeah,
remember. So it's really very,
I
very nice,
reached that
very,
point.
yeah, right? It's really very therapeutic. Like, it's a mind-blowing game, and we get excited if we could have our brick game. Wow, this is really new, like that. And especially when it comes to values, right? So when it comes to belief system, especially the influence,
Yeah.
the values such integrity, compassion, professionalism. What else, Nikki?
Maybe I think I really want to go into the wisdom.
Okay, when
Yeah,
it
really on
comes
the
to,
wisdom
yeah, when it comes to knowledge and
and
wisdom,
life
yeah,
experiences
life
like that.
experiences.
Yes, because I think for me in my generation, yeah. So there's a
Wow, thank you so much.
you can actually, okay. By the way, you can send or share um
How to share? I'm not so sure about
this
it.
live. It asks us to share. We need to share it to all
Okay,
to our
okay.
friends, or yeah. So anyway, I think is this recorded?
I'm not so sure. I said it's experimental. It's my first time. It's our first time
Yes.
actually.
Mm-hmm.
So like that.
So yeah. Anyway, I recorded it, so
Okay, that's
it's
good.
fine. We still get to,
Uh,
go over this later. So yes, as I was saying, it's really important for us in our 20s, early 20s. I'm in my mid 20s, so for me, it's a very critical point, right? Because 20s is, in a way, you're sowing what you have to reap in your 40s.
true, very true. Yeah,
So
I like that one.
so I think I really want to learn more about her, from her generation, and how we can incorporate that to my generation, and like that.
Okay, very
And
true.
vice versa.
Okay. yeah, it's really good to know also that I could also see myself in her when I was also in my 20s before. I was really very active, proactive, and nothing to fear about, especially when it comes to physical strength, like when it comes to my hobbies, outdoor hobbies, right? So it's full of energy like that. So I hope everyone
Yes.
could actually connect what we're talking about when it comes to our
Yes.
20s. So
Mm-hmm.
it's really very good to have the realization at
That
her early age about it, especially when it comes to going out from your nutshell,
from your
like,
comfort zone.
yeah, from your comfort zone. And actually, she's into business at her young age. Well, actually, at the age of, yeah, 20 something,
Mm-hmm.
it could be really very important also for us, in my case, 40 something, I find it really very amazing for her because at early age, for me, it's early age 20s, you're into business already. And also, you are into teaching, wherein you can also use your profession, use your course like that.
Yes.
So I find it really very amazing. When I was in my 20s, I was just like exploring, looking for something good for me. Really, I need to extol, experience, and explore all those potentials that I could have, that I could showcase. So that right now in my 40s, I'm very sure, I'm very, very pretty sure to say that, wow, I did everything when I was
Yes.
in my 20s. Like
Yeah,
that.
so that's something that I also get inspiration from. That even though she said that she's amazed by what I did so far in my 20s, but still, I also want to say that she was so amazing as well during her 20s because she got to explore a lot of different jobs, immerse herself to different environment, to different people as well, right? I think the how do you say your skills in dealing people, dealing situations, especially,
True.
really harnessed her from what she is right now.
Yeah.
So that's what makes me really look up to her. So in a way, we really how do you say?
Don't worry,
um,
I'll give you allowance later. I would like to
okay.
say hi also to Frank. Hello, Frank.
Yes. Hi,
Okay.
Frank, and Sinayang, right?
Yeah.
And Loida.
Yeah. Like
Yeah.
that.
So
All right.
I think I'm really looking forward for more podcasts or like chat together like this actually.
Okay.
So
Yes.
I'll just say
And
hi.
yeah. So this is just an introductory live streaming for both of us. And also we're hoping for another live streaming. Especially we are going to talk about keyword for topic. And we hope also you guys could join us and you could also share your thoughts about it. All right?
Mm-hmm.
So thank you so much for your time
And
today.
yeah, bye
Thank
bye.
you.
And
Bye bye.
we'll see you next time.
Yeah.
Hopefully, you get to continue what watching what we have started.
Okay. Oh, one moment. Okay, thank you. How many of them are? Wow, this is really very interesting. Wow, thank you so much. Wow, say hi. Hello, what's this?
Beach Dichi AM.
Okay, hello. Hello. Okay.
You wait, okay.
Okay. Thank you so much. I think really don't have to say bye bye, pa, but we really have to because it's already 7:02 and I need to
Time for meal time.
yeah, I need to prepare
Dinner time. Yeah,
for
dinner
dinner for
time.
my mom. She's already 87 years old.
Yes. And by
Yeah.
the way, we're from the Philippines. Is it okay to mention
Yes.
that? So
Yes.
that they can be they have the idea that 7 is the dinner time.
Yes, it's
Yeah.
for our time zone, for our different time zone here. We are from Cordova, Cebu, Philippines. It's already 7:02 right now.
Yes.
Thank you. Oh my goodness, how to stop this one?
So, yeah, we'll see you next time. We can, I guess.
Where to stop it?
We have no idea how to stop this live.
Yeah, since this is our first time, this is experimental.
Okay.
Eunice, what happened? Oh, okay. So next time, na co-host
I
mo?
think this one.
Ah, okay, that
Let's
one.
see. Okay.
Wait,
And
wait,
live.
wait, wait. Ah, that one. Ah,
Okay.
okay. Hello. What's this name
Okay.
again? Lean.
Linzer.
Hello, Lean. Just join. Wow.
So I guess that's how
Thank
you end
you.
the
Ah,
live.
okay. We
That
also
one.
have, yeah, it's Frank. Hi, hi. Who else? All right. Thank you so much. Bye bye for now. Bye. Thank you, Eunice.
Yes, it's a pleasure.
Okay. Bye.